In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure your taxes and duties settings in Shopify. This is an important step to ensure that your online store runs smoothly and complies with legal tax requirements, depending on where your business is based. So, let's dive straight into the process. First, you will want to head over to your Shopify admin panel. To do this, open your preferred web browser and type in your Shopify store's URL, followed by /admin. Once you're in your dashboard, you'll likely find yourself on the home page. This is your central hub for managing your store, viewing analytics, and accessing various tools. Familiarize yourself with this layout if you haven't done so already, as it's the gateway to all things Shopify. Next, you need to locate the Settings option. It's usually found at the bottom left of your screen. Clicking on Settings will open up a new page with a list of configuration options that allow you to fine-tune various aspects of your store. Here, you'll see multiple tabs that provide access to different operational areas of your Shopify store. From payments to notifications, this is where you manage it all. But for today, our focus is on taxes. Now, from the Settings menu, look for the Taxes and Duties section and click on it. This page is crucial for configuring how your store handles taxes, which is essential for both compliance and transparency with your customers. In this section, you can decide how taxes are added to your product pricing model. It's here that you'll set the groundwork for how your business processes sales tax, and adhering to your local regulations is always a good idea. Once you have reached the Taxes and Duties page, there's an option you need to pay close attention to: the Include Sales Tax in Product Price and Shipping Rate. Click on this option. This setting is particularly useful if you want to have a tax-inclusive pricing structure, which is often preferred by many businesses for simplicity and customer satisfaction. When this option is enabled, the prices advertised to your customers already include the applicable sales tax, thus eliminating any surprises at checkout. After you click on this, ensure that you've saved your changes. It's easy to overlook this step, but making sure you save ensures that all your configurations will come into effect. Remember, anytime you make adjustments in your Shopify settings, double-check that every modification is saved to avoid any contingencies. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward way to configure the taxes and duties settings in your Shopify store. This adjustment not only helps meet legal obligations, but also enhances the transparency of transactions for your customers. Now you're all set to manage your store more effectively, knowing that your tax settings are properly configured. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks.